Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Hey, what a beautiful day. Not as cold as yesterday, and we saw the sunshine. Very light wind currently. Take a live look outside. Mostly cloudy. Muskegon showing very still water. Temperatures falling to about 36 after climbing into the 40s today. Still 45, though, in South Haven, 43 in Kalamazoo. Everyone tonight dropping pretty close to freezing. Some spots closer to Lake Michigan will likely be just above freezing. Some spots that are a little bit further inland or farmland, rural areas, likely just below freezing. Probably not as much frost as what we saw as this morning, but otherwise just a really quiet start to the day. So looking at the next 24 hours, you'll notice that we keep the cloud cover around. I think tomorrow is going to be a mostly cloudy day, but there is the chance that we could see some of those high temperatures climb a little bit warmer than what we experienced today, headed up closer to 50. Here's why. We have an area of high pressure moving out, and we have a system that's far to the north of us that's sliding in. Even though we're kind of getting sideswiped by this initial batch of low pressure, we are going to see the winds come out of the south as it rushes towards that low pressure center. So that wind out of the south is going to help to nudge our temperatures tomorrow up to 50, and it could help to squeak out a few areas of patchy drizzle or mist. So here's as we go overnight tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Some spots might see stars once or twice throughout the night, but I think the vast majority of the time it's just going to be mostly cloudy and quiet. Here's 7 a.m. We could see some light rain, but I think it's mostly going to be very light, like drizzle mist, so nothing heavy. And there's a very good chance that it starts to move out by the time we get to the evening hours, which of course is around the time that we have the Hudsonville Holiday Parade. 3-day forecast shows that we have a better chance of sunshine for Friday. Saturday's looking fantastic too for the Gentex Santa Parade in Grand Rapids, and the wind staying light for those 3 days. So it does start to get a bit more active after the weekend. The weekend's looking great with quiet conditions as we see systems stay away. However, next week we're starting to see an indication that we could see a bit more active of a storm track, and what that means for us is a better chance of not only precipitation but bigger temperature fluctuations. So the first day that we're watching is Tuesday with a good chance of rain at this point in time. We'll continue to watch that one come together. The next one we're watching is Wednesday into Thursday. As we get to Thanksgiving, potentially a cold hit getting closer to us here in West Michigan, which could mean a chance of snow. Stick around. We're back with sports after this.